Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Rock Gamer here, and today we are going to be, I'm going to solve a Rubik's Cube. Here it is. You guys can't see it too well, but I'm going to be solving this today. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, let's get started. There we go. Alright, now I'm not gonna really do much that you guys will be able to learn, but I'm gonna just try and solve it. Go up, go over, there we go. And then this goes up there. Okay, and now we can do this, and then this, and then this, and then this, and then this. And then we go this, and this, and then this, and this, and yeah. This is gonna be a little while, so. But don't worry, I'll solve this pretty soon, hopefully. Now the only part that might take a while will probably be the very end, because it's just the very long part, the super duper long part. So yeah, but don't worry, I'll try my best to get it done all nice and quick. No, this way. There we go. We got the second layer, and then we got this, and this, and this. And then this, and this over. No, still not good. Go up, over again. And now we have at least 2 of them, which is perfect. And now we have this. You guys can't see it too well, but don't worry. Not too much is going on. I'm gonna be done soon. I'm hoping. Yes, here we go. And then we got that. And we got this, and that. And none of that works, so we got to go like this. There. Look at that. All solved. This side and that side. All solved. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and if you want me to do a video on me teaching you how to solve the Rubik's Cube, which I'm pretty sure would be pretty hard, just leave a comment, and I will. Also, if you guys want me to do a video where I solve it real fast and time myself, just leave a comment, and I'll see you guys all later. Peace out.